Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the viewers are back with me Iin Inasa as the host of our talk show program, namely Education Crisis in the Millennial Era. Yes, on this occasion, we will discuss the effect of bullying on elementary school students. The arrival of three guest stars at once, namely Vina Hanikarina, the sister of the victims of bullying, Ajeng Octavianti as an elementary school teacher education student, and Mrs. Putri as a parent.
This talk show was held via Zoom meeting, then we will see our invite guests through the camera. Please open the camera. Okay, let's go to the Vina. Assalamualaikum, how are you, Vina?
Waalaikumsalam. Alhamdulillah, it's good.
What are you busy with now?
Now I'm busy studying and working.
Oh, I see. Vina, is it so that your sister is the victim of bullying at the school?
Right.
May I know why they bully your sister?
My sister didn't tell me the reason they bully her, but the biggest factor they bully is because they don't believe in themselves. This is done to cover up the shortcomings they succeed in him, so that the oppressed friends at school who have advantages, but these advantages are not owned by the perpetrators of bullying.
When did you and your family know that your sister was the victim of bullying?
For some time, I noted something strange with my sister's attitude, where my sister became more quiet, difficult to talk to, difficult to get along with, and often restles, so that in the end my family and I suspected that my sister was the victim of bullying, and it turned out to be true.
What did you and your family do when you found out about this?
My family and I are trying to help my sister recover from her trauma, then improve the situation by reporting into those who should know and trying to be more intense in monitoring and caring for my sister.
Have you reported to the perpetrator's parents that their child has bullied your sister?
Yes, my mother discussed this with the perpetrator's family.
Have you and your family tried to report to the school, and what is their response about this?
My family complained to the school about my sister being a victim of bullying, and their response was good, with the response of the perpetrators being given better direction by the teacher at the school, classroom teacher, and parents in their respective homes.
Then how is your sister condition now? Is it being afraid to meet people or what?
Alhamdulillah, my sister is much better now and is not trauma, can interact with people, and is happy again.
Have you undergone treatment or therapy to a psychologist?
No, because Alhamdulillah, my sister did not experience prolonged bullying, so the trauma was light.
What message do you want to convey to parents or children who are bullied victims?
My message is that parents should be more sensitive to the child condition, pay more attention to the child's condition, and be more selective in paying attention to their child friends, so that at least if parents are sensitive to their children, there will be no case of like bullying. And for children who are victims of bullying, you are not alone. Therefore, always tell what happened to your parents or family, and keep the spirit of living life and continue to excel and keep being yourself.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Vina. Already want to tell the story? Then we will move on to the Mrs. Putri. Assalamualaikum, Mrs. Putri. How are you?
Waalaikumsalam. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Thank you.
What are you busy with lately?
For now, I'm busy taking care of my children and selling online.
Oh, I see. How do you think about the many cases of bullying among elementary school children?
I think it is very unfair because bullying has a lot of negative effects on people who are bullied. especially for elementary school children who can say they are still small and need our guidance.
Do you think it will have an impact on the mentality of the child?
Yes, I think bullying can have a mental or physical effect on children, causing trauma.
What will you do when your child become a victim of bullying?
What I will do when my children are bullied is first I will communication with my partner and find a solution on how crucial step immediately to help children get out of the trauma of bullying and avoid bullying situation.
In your opinion, what are the causes of bullying like this nowadays?
I think why children can become bully, including for adaptability, lack of self-existences, low self-esteem, and the fulfillment of unsatisfied need in other aspects of life.
What kind of bullying usually do by perpetrators?
Annoying, bully, and harass.
Do you think it's true that children become victims? Bully, they will feel stress, depression, or so.
I think yes, if the bullying has really hurt the child many times.
What will you do if you see bullying in front of you?
I will record each incident and then collect the evidence, describe the bully and victim by inviting them to chat or pretending to look for coordinating attention.
What should the school do if one of the students become a bully?
If the bullying case is still at the usual stage, the school can work in it by advising the child. If you have been given advice the child is still violating, then remove it.
Do you think the government has made any efforts to stop this bullying case?
I think the government has made the effort to stop bullying cases. For now, it's just a matter of self-awareness so that they don't bullying people, especially children.
Okay, thanks for the good opinion, Mrs. Putri. Now we will move to Ajeng Octavianti as an elementary school teacher education. Assalamualaikum Ajeng, how are you?
Waalaikumsalam. I'm fine, thank you.
What are you busy with lately?
My activities is follow a lecture.
Oh, I see. How do you feel about the many cases of bullying nowadays, especially for elementary school children?
In my opinion, bullying cases in elementary school children are worrying. They bully without thinking about the words that are said. Even physical play and insulting. Usually, elementary school children do not understand feeling rebellious, selfish, and other, so that bullying occurs.
Is there still a lot of bullying in your environment?
Many, for example, insulting parents' names, verbal abusing because elementary school children do not understand their parents, they think what they wear looks good and so on.
How do you as a student to overcome this?
I deal with bullying by setting a good example for elementary school children, advising if there is bullying, creating atmosphere by working together, respecting and appreciating.
Does the bullying case really affect the children's mentality?
I think it has an effect because those who are bullied feel humiliated. There are many shortcomings, and the impact is the They are lazy to go to school.
Have any of your friends been bullied since elementary school?
Yes, usually they are bullied physical with people, family circumstances, house money, and others.
How are things now?
The situation is better now because from bullying they can rise. Some are getting worse because they feel like that and can.
Do you think the community needs to help overcome the bullying case?
I think the public should take action against the bullying because we don't know how the acceptance of the person being bullied is, whether it's normal or always thinking about it physically and mentally declining and even afraid to do something negative.
In the future, what do you think should be done to overcome bullying cases?
In the future, there will be no bullying. It should become properly because it makes us rise and be more confident.
Okay, thank you to Ajeng who has conveyed her opinion to all of you.
Okay, well, it turns out we don't feel like we are at the end of today's event. Thank you to the inviters who have taken the time so that we become more aware of the effects of bullying on elementary school age children. It is very scary, even can be carried over until he is an adult. Therefore, let us apply it to our children or students to be good, honest, and not discriminating with others. Thank you viewers for watching this talk show. Don't forget to take care of your health. I want to say goodbye and see you again at the event Education Crisis in the Millennial Era. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.